Libra November 2020 horoscope. November 2020 Libra horoscope predicts that independence and self-interest will be in focus this month. More than 80% of the planets are in the eastern sector of the horoscope. There will not be any need for cooperation or conciliation with others. Libra personality can dictate the course of events. You have to suppress your natural quality of compromise. Academic interest and communication fields will be in focus this month. Many learning prospects will present themselves this month. You will be busy with educational studies, discussions, and lectures. Libra persons are influenced by Venus to enhance their personal charm and personality. You will indulge in personal enjoyment. Libra health horoscope. There are grounds, however, to apprehend some trouble associated with the head. As a preventive measure, we suggest a tonic for the head, which can in any case do no possible harm. No serious health issues are likely. Even existing chronic ailments will be under control. Small health problems can be taken care of by routine medical assistance. Do not relax on your fitness and diet routines to maintain your vitality. A fairly satisfactory month during which you are unlikely to suffer from any serious ailments. Libra career horoscope. 2020 Libra horoscope is not very much encouraging for professional life. Planetary aspects makes the environment at the workplace quite unpleasant. You will have a problem achieving your targets due to the non-cooperation from colleagues and the management. Your success will depend on your ability to establish cordial relationships at the workplace. Travel for professional duties will not be gainful. Libra finances horoscope. Financial interests will be prominent this month. You want to achieve financial prosperity at any cost. You are not worried about the challenges on the way. Your personal magnetism attracts money flow. Social contacts and social organizations will be instrumental in wealth creation. Foreign interests will result in enormous gains. Whatever you have aspired for will materialize on the monetary front. There are grounds to predict that at least some of you would suffer serious losses from speculative activity. Whatever it may be, you must therefore desist from gambling and such like activities quite firmly. Libra education horoscope. Nothing particularly favorable about the augury from the stars this month. Most of you would lack the drive and motivation necessary for success. Planetary aspects make you lethargic and the fire to succeed will be missing. This would take away the competitive edge from your efforts. You would have to look inwards to revive your spirits and to move forward in a determined manner. Those appearing for competitive tests will do well to take additional instructions. Engineering students will find it tough to pursue their studies. Libra travel horoscope. November 2020 horoscope for Libra star sign doesn't predict any material gains from travel activities. There is a possibility of physical mishap during these travels. There will be both inland and foreign trips. Personal tours with family members will not live up to expectations. Whatever tours you may undertake will result in financial losses. It is advisable to limit your tours or postpone them to a later date. Libra love and relationship horoscope. Libra compatibility can be achieved in marriage if you give equal importance to your spouse. You can establish harmony in marriage with your passion till the 21st of the month. Communication is the key to good marital bliss. Singles will have many romantic opportunities, but most of the partnerships are for fun and seriousness will be missing. You may find love in the workplace during the first week of the month. Confirmed relationships will face problems. Old ones may dissolve and new ones will come up. Overall, love is highly complex and relationships are unstable. Libra family horoscope predictions. Libra November 2020 horoscope predictions are not pleasant for family affairs. Senior members of the family will have misunderstandings and this will affect the harmony of the family surroundings. There is further cause for anxiety in that serious tensions with the elder members of the family may come about. You must not lose your cool and refuse to get drawn into any sort of confrontation. Children will not be able to do well in their studies or sports activities. You should devote more time to bring the situation under control and take care of the future of children. Thanks for watching the video.